In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN Plus so you can enjoy live sports, exclusive content, and original shows with ease. Start by subscribing to ESPN Plus through the app or website. Download the ESPN app on your smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device like Roku or Amazon Fire Stick. Sign in with your account credentials or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, browse the ESPN Plus section for live events, replays, documentaries, and exclusive shows. Use the search bar to find specific games or content. For offline viewing, download videos using the app's download feature, perfect for travel or areas with limited internet access. ESPN Plus also works on web browsers and gaming consoles, giving you flexibility across devices. Pair it with compatible services like Hulu plus Live TV for expanded sports coverage. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy all the action on ESPN Plus.